got the ice cream truck. It's beautiful today. So what do you want? Hi, how are you?
Can I get this?
Okay, the bubble gum.
I want the bubble gum. I want the bubble gum.
You want the bubble gum too?
Yeah.
It's 3 different colors. Right? Okay, say thank you. Okay, Dima, so $7.
I got this.
Thank you so much.
And Baby got this.
Yeah! What a nice, beautiful ice cream truck. They have so many choices. Popsicles, ice cream cones, so many yummy stuff.
Let's go.
Thank you. Sally, what did you got? Show me your cone.
Bubble
Yummy! It's a bubble gum.
I think there's bubble gum in.
Let me open it
3
for you.
different colors, right? Bye, ice cream truck. Yummy, yummy. I want to see. It looks like a rainbow, right?
It is.
It's a rainbow. It is a rainbow.
I think there's bubble gum all the way in the bottom.
Oh, Serene missed it. Aww.
She slept over at our cousin's house.
Yeah.
Yeah, Zach's house.
Zacky's house.
Let's go play.
Where's your wallet?
What?
You forgot your wallet.
Oh.
Show me your wallet. How pretty.
No, Cece.
It's Serene's?
Mine.
It's Dima.
We had the same thing. She has a ducky. I have a unicorn.
Let's go. Is it yummy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch out the car.
Okay.
1 minute.
It's an ice cone.
It's an ice cone.
Can you
And
hold
look,
my hand? Oh, I mean snow cone.
it's a snow cone. Okay, let's go. Nice. Do it again, Dima.
3, 2, 1.
Good job.
Ice cream is coming.
Yeah, the ice cream truck is coming. Wave to the ice cream truck. Say bye-bye. Or hi, ice cream truck. Yay. Pretty sure it's going there.
I think
Hop, hop, jump, jump, girls. Jump. Jump. Go.
I
Nice.
think it's like this, so we'll stop there and then we'll.
Girls, it's time to go to the park.
Okay, and guys, don't forget to comment down below what kind of ice cream do you like? Chocolate, snow cone, bubblegum snow cone,
Vanilla.
or
Caramel.
is it vanilla?
What?
Oh yeah, vanilla or mint.
Yes.
Bye guys.
And give this video a big thumbs.
Thumbs up!
Thumbs up.
And
Thank
don't forget
you.
to subscribe. Now let's go to the party. Yeah,
Let's go.